Hey everyone, this is Punit Mahajan from punitmahajan.com, and in this video I'll be talking about how I got used to a Mac in just 24 hours. So I've been a Windows user since 15 years now, and shifting to a Mac was a total different experience for me. So I got this new Mac just 4 days ago, and I've been spending a lot of time on this Mac, configuring it, customizing it, learning different shortcuts, learning different applications. So three tips if you have got a new Mac or you are about to shift to a Mac OS. The first thing is getting to know the system preferences. So if I press command space, it will give me this bar and I can write system preferences. So inside this system preferences, this acts as a settings of overall Mac. So basically like a control panel of Mac. So you get used to all these settings, open up individual settings and play around with this. So this is light, dark. If you have auto, I can switch to auto, then again dark. Maybe play around with scroll bar, default web browser, and then move back. Then again desktop change. Try changing your wallpapers. Again, play around with the dock if you have. So my by the way, my dock is here. It is hidden. So basically, play around with all the settings that you get in system preferences, and you'll get to know at least 30 to 40% of what Mac is. And two main things that Windows user miss here is this. It is on the left top corner, which we had on the right top corner. So this is the first one, and second is the right click. So I had no idea about Mac and how Mac works. So I had to literally download Google Chrome using Safari browser and then search for all the shortcuts that I have. I will literally search for all the shortcuts, and then I got to know the right click, that is two fingers that you need to tap simultaneously. So getting to know your system preferences will really help you while starting out with your Mac. Second biggest tip that I want to tell you is getting to know all the shortcuts at them. The control in Mac is replaced by command. You still have the control button and the option button as well, but we are used to using alt, using control. I was used to using alt and tab for switching between applications. So now it is command and tab. And there are different shortcuts that are slightly different from Windows. So play around with command and the combinations, and also then move on to options and command combinations. And again, you need to move on to control. There are a lot of shortcuts. Third thing that will get you used to a new Mac is just playing around with options like this. Right control, go to dock preferences, play around with the size, then and don't forget to increase the trackpad speed. So this will really help you browse, move here and then. I forgot to mention about gestures. Gestures are a huge deal. So if you want to switch between this application, you can do this via the gestures. So playing around with your Mac and the gestures will really help you customizing it, installing a lot of different apps. Coming to apps, there are a lot of useful apps that you install for Mac, that is clean my Mac and everything. But if you're just starting out and if you have got a new Mac, don't go and install a lot of apps. It is very unnecessary, I feel, if you're starting out. And if you have, let's say, if you have a very graphic heavy use, you can always install different apps, clean up your space and everything. The one app that I found really useful was this clipboard app, which is a free clipboard management kind of app, where all the copied things, let's say I'm using any text that I have copied, and if I want to reuse it, it gets all saved here. So let me tell you that each and everyone that I've talked to, interacted with, who owns a Mac from years and years, they have literally said that this is going to be a game changer, and it will enhance your productivity, it will enhance your work ethics. So you'll be very different person while using a Windows and while using a Mac. So these are the tips that I have got for you for getting used to Mac OS, shifting from a Windows user. If you're planning to buy a Mac and if you're hesitant, if you have the necessary money, go out there, get a Mac, and it will surely change your experience. And this machine is a total beast, I'm telling you. So just get it and you will not regret your decision. Just get a suitable Mac. If you are into graphics, get a Pro maybe. If you're not into graphics and if you don't think that graphics will be needed in next, maybe let's say 2 or 3 years, then get an Air. It depends on what are your needs. So for future proofing, what I did was I got a MacBook Pro, the top model 2020 version. and I knew at some point of time I'm going to make such videos and I'm going to post on my YouTube channel. This was it for the video, and if you like the video, please leave a like on the video and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.